Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing what to share and why. Sign into OneDrive, then navigate to the file or folder you need. Once you've selected it, click Share. Make sure to pick the correct link type, edit, view, or specific people, because permissions control access. Also decide whether to set an expiration or password. Those options add security. Now that your item is selected and permission intent is chosen, move on to generating the actual link or invitation. Once the Share pane opens, customize the link settings so it matches your security needs. Select who can use the link, anyone, people in your organization, or specific people, then toggle editing, set an expiration, or require a password. If you need to, change download permissions and block editing. After adjustments, copy the link to paste where needed, or enter recipient emails and write a short message. Make sure to double-check recipients. Wrong permission types can leak data. Now send the link and follow up to confirm access. You can email directly from OneDrive or paste into Teams or chat. Once sent, monitor sharing with manage access to view or revoke links and adjust permissions if needed. If someone reports trouble, start troubleshooting. Ensure they're signed into the correct Microsoft account, verify the link hasn't expired, and check organization sharing policies which may block external access. If problems persist, revoke the link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.